So I've got a bit of time off this week. I'm on leave actually, and I still thought I should go up into my workroom and do sewing, because that's what I do every single day of my life. And I'm rather into my cord making at the moment, so using cord, making mats and bowls and bags, and I thought it'd be interesting to see a different way of making your cording, just that little bit different. So this morning I thought I would wrap some pretty yarn around. It's like a sort of a tweedy yarn, and I'm just literally wrapping it around just so it twists, so it goes on the back and the front, and then just stitching that down. I mean, if it doesn't all catch, I'm not too worried actually, because it's a bit of textile art, isn't it? And just keep on going. Just make sure the centre of your foot is following the gap between the project and the cord. That way your zigzag will pick up the cord either side. So it's just a case of, I just might get my, I think I'm twisting it the other way now. I don't suppose it matters a jot. But the other thing you can do is add strips of fabric. Let's have a look. Let's see. So you've got that sort of effect. So that's putting strips in. That looks quite nice. But I thought today I would try a little bit of yarn, which I happen to have handy, and see what that looks like. Now, the other thing was that you can use variegated thread. You can use, I could have used dark brown thread. I could have used metallic threads. It's up to you, really. The idea is that you just keep on going until you get to the size you want it to be. It's quite mesmerising, isn't it? It's really quite a nice thing to sit and do when you've got sort of half an hour. There we go. I'm just turning it the whole time. I'm coming to the end of my thread now, but you can add to it, you can put a different colour on if you want. But this would make a nice little gift. Something nice to take to work, to put your mug on at work. But also this could be a centre of a bag piece. So I'm just wrapping those last little ends on there. And I shall probably add something else on there. So when I look at all my yarns that I have, this is a sort of a mixed bag of yarns. I could pick something else out, couldn't I? Similar, but not quite the same. See, look at that. See that little tiny little pom-pom trim there? I could use that. That could look quite nice. But I shall stick to the browns, I think, so it kind of works in. Oh, there you go. I thought you might like to see that.